Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am going to show you how you can contact Instagram's customer service. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. So the first thing we want to do is simply open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, at the bottom right hand side you want to tap on your profile icon. So in order to contact Instagram service, you first need to report a problem. You need to have a reason of why you want to contact Instagram service. So in order to do that, on the top right hand side, click on the three menu bar which you see. Once you tap on the three menu bar, at the bottom in the menu that pops up, you want to go ahead and tap on settings. And once you tap on settings, over here you want to look for the option called help. And once you tap on help, you can see multiple options such as reporting a problem, help center, privacy and security help, and support request. Now first of all, what you need to understand is that Instagram has more than 1 billion users worldwide, so it is nearly impossible for Instagram to make you talk to a live agent or a live customer support. But there are many other articles and forums of Instagram which is written by real people. So what you want to do is you can simply go through them if you need any help, or the other option is you can simply report a problem with whatever you have received on your Instagram application. So simply tap on report a problem. You can see you can report a problem or report spam or send feedback. If you want to send feedback, then you can do so, or you can also report a problem by including a screenshot and every other message or details which you want to send to the Instagram application or the Instagram customer service. And hopefully in a matter of few days, Instagram may or may not get back to you, but they will take your feedback or your problem in report and in hand. And once they do that, you will have successfully contacted them for whatever issue you wanted. So in this way, you can really easily contact Instagram's customer service. We hope that this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in our next video.